During the court proceedings, OSMAC Medical Director Dr. Perry Peralta said there were lapses in the security of Napoles after they received reports that visiting policies in Napoles ward are being violated.
In this particular case, we do not have anything to do with the security of Mrs. Napoles. If you read the very first court order, ang mandatong mag-secure kay Mrs. Napoles and control the crowd in the area in the 7th floor near her room is PNP. I'm not trying to blame PNP. We just have to remind the PNP to implement what they are mandated to do in the first court order. Implement hospital policies, make sure that care to the other patients in that floor hindi naman obstructed.
Meanwhile, the Council of Napoles, Stephen David, said representatives of some government officials had been visiting Napoles, some to offer help while others to confirm if their superiors are in the list of the businesswoman.
Merong ganon, no? Merong pumupuntang ganon, mga government officials. Kasi sinasabi lang naman sa amin na, oh, yan, si gumayon, naman, pag-offer na naman daw ng tulong. Oh. Sabi ko lang sa kanya, bakit kailangan ba tayong umasa ng tulong? Wala na tutulong sa atin, kundi magdasal na lang tayo. Hindi naman constant, siguro once, twice a week.
Bumibisita.
Ano mga tulong ina-offer sa inyo? Government official?
Minsan sabi nila, dala nila yung pangalan ng high government officials. Usually, sabi niya, representative ng mga suspicion nila na nasa list. At inaalam, gusto nila ma-confirm, kasama ba siya, kasama ba sila. So,
from the Makati RTC, this is Julian Lovedes who's reporting for Inquirer.net.
Takot din siya sabihin kung